This right here is the Makita DCU180 18-volt LXT cordless wheelbarrow. That's right, I said a cordless wheelbarrow. Yep. I'm here with James from Makita because I mean, I need you to run me over. Like what? Not obviously, don't run me over with the wheelbarrow. Yes. But you know, I need you to run over. Like, what are we looking at here? Because a cordless wheelbarrow.
Cordless wheelbarrow, absolutely. Yeah. So we're looking at single battery LXT, but we have 2 ports here. So it's for extended runtime.
Twin 18 volt as well.
Twin 18, so it's just for runtime. Only uses one for a power source. You flick between the 1 and the 2.
But if you're looking for maximum battery life, you can run off of the 2 batteries.
Absolutely, don't have to put one in your pocket. Cradle's already there for you.
Now I'm guessing the benefit with this, right, is, you know, I mean, I guess there are 2 types of people that are going to want to be getting their hands on one of these. You know, first of all, if you're a lazy so-and-so like myself, you know, I want the wheelbarrow to do all the work for me, I guess is kind of where I'm coming from. But I guess if you're someone that you're moving heavy loads across site often, you know, you're going to be doing, you know, long-term damage to your back, maybe 100%. To your arms and legs. I'm guessing this kind of helps with that.
Prevention's always better than cure. Brings manual handling down to next to none. Very little fatigue on yourself except loading it. 3.5 kilometers an hour in max speed. You've got 2 speeds there for comfort.
I was going to say, you've got a bit of flexibility
in
it, haven't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
You've got a 2-speed mode. You've got a forward and reverse as well.
Forward, reverse, yeah, absolutely. So no matter what situation you're in, rocky site, going off-road, you can manage the situation by the speed controls.
And I mean, you thought it was done with just the speed controls. If you're working in low light environments, you know, if you're working in the winter and I mean, the sun goes down by 2 p.m? You've got headlights on this as well, so you can see exactly where you're going.
Absolutely, 2 headlights, 1 either side, can be manually turned on and off, so we won't drain your battery when not needed.
Now, I guess it's worth noting that this is a bit of an extra attachment, is this lovely steel bucket here. But am I right in saying this comes more, you know, standard with the cage type?
So you get a standard cage when you purchase the machine. The bucket is an optional extra to kind of make it into a barrow rather than just a transport.
More of your traditional barrow. Absolutely. Is what this attachment is for. But you know, it is just as useful if you are using it, you know, with the carrying cage. So if you are looking for the easiest way to carry heavy loads across site, then get your hands on this. This is the Makita DCU180. This is a cordless wheelbarrow. It's available now at its.co.uk.